In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a missing app icon on your Android phone. So if you're looking for a specific app, but you can't see it on your home screen, I'm going to show you how to get this to reappear. Now, all you need to do is use your finger to swipe upwards and then click on the search box. You can then go and search for the app that you want to add to the home screen. So I'm just going to type out Facebook as an example. If you see the app at the top of this page, then go and hold your finger down on it and then click on Add to Home. Now, if you don't see it from the search box, it's likely hidden on your Android. So to go and fix this, swipe upwards once again, click on the 3 vertical dots next to the search box and click on Settings. Now scroll down and click on Hide Apps on Home Screen. And just make sure the application is not hidden on the Hidden Apps folder. Now, if it's hidden, you can just click on the minus icon next to that app, and then you can go and click on Done at the bottom of this page. Once it's been unhidden, you can head back over to the home screen. You can try searching for the app once again, and you should be able to hold down on the app, and you can now go and add it to the home screen. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.